Hey everybody, George Outdoors enthusiast here. I'm going to be doing a pics of my antlers on my deer, which I had told you guys I was going to do before. So we're going to try to do that today. I'm going to try to do a step-by-step. Not sure how exactly it'll work, but I'm going to try it. It's the first time for me. So we'll get back to you here. Okay, you can see the head I'm going to do here, and the antlers was bleached out. The antlers on this deer were bleached. I'll show you a picture of the deer prior to it being bleached. I'm going to try to get it back to its same antler colors as much as possible. I'm going to clean the antlers first by a little bit of soap and water. See if we can make sure we get all the scum off it, and then we're going to try to put some stain on it. So stay tuned for that. Okay, we're going to see if we can clean some of this stuff off here. See if it comes off at all. And the dirt comes off. Sure. Try a little bit warm the water. Towel here and dry it. Well, okay, here's the horns. We're going to use a color golden oak. Okay, we're going to try the golden oak stain that they suggest and try coating it with this and see how it comes out. This is the deer I took in 2023. I'm going to try to keep it open where you can see what I'm doing here. This is a water base. They suggest they also can use Minwax stains. There's like 3 or 4 different colors, like American Provincial and so on. So I've cleaned the horns. We're gonna try a little stain on this and see what happens here. This is the first time for me too, so let's see if I can get these back into some color here. Let's dip the brush and see. I'm going to take a lot of stain, but Don't know if you guys can see that, but it's looking pretty good. From what I can see here. I kind of like it myself. Well, let's see if I can see what in the camera, and can you guys see that? Yeah, you can see it pretty good. So here's what we're doing here. Okay, let's keep it going and see what happens. Spread, I guess, spread it out as much as possible. You want to get around the base of the antlers. Try not to get it on the skull. I'm satisfied with it so far. Some guys do it with a terry cloth, which I've got a terry cloth here to wipe it down, because when I stain boards and stuff, I use a terry cloth to stain trim, and it comes out pretty good. I wish these hadn't got bleached out, because they had really, you'll see the pictures I will show you guys of the deer when I shot it in 2023. It was late in the year 2023 that I shot him. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but this is pretty good. So far, I'm kind of liking what I see. And I'm trying to put an even coat on here. So hopefully it's coming looking pretty good to you guys, as well as it is to me. Let's see what happens here. I want to see what you guys are seeing. Oh, yeah, see? That's pretty nice. I'm kind of like the character of it. Let me pick it up here and see. You guys see a little bit closer. So I'm trying to keep it even as well. Not thick. It's all one area. Let me turn it over here and make sure I'm not dripping down the side here. Well, it's looking pretty good. Let's see here. Little dabadoomy here. So I'm doing the back side. Let's stretch this out here. Trying to get around the base and not get any on the skull. So I guess this is how you can fix bleached horns, guys, from what I've read on the internet. And there's a lot of these videos out there on YouTube showing how to do this as well. They have different techniques to do it. So you might want to check them out as well. But this looks like it's doing a pretty good job so far. So you can see what I've done. So I'm liking it so far. I'm not sure what you guys think, but hopefully you like it as well. So, let me continue doing a little more here. I'm trying to get them as evenly as possible here. Whoa. Trying to keep my brush strokes from getting too messed up too as well. Spread the stain as much as I can as well. Some of the spots are coming out darker than the others because of the areas of the horn that were dark to begin with. So you like a little bit of lightness on probably the ends of these, in case he's been rubbing or something, so it makes it look like, you know, he's been rubbing the horns. But it's this first time I've done this, so it's all new to me as well as to you guys, okay, what I'm doing here. But I guess you don't learn unless you try. And at 73, what have I got to lose? To give it a try. But I'm liking what I see so far. I'm not sure about you guys, but it's looking pretty good, I think, here. Let's see. I'm trying to keep it as even as possible here. And I gotta watch out where I'm grabbing. You see the spots on some of the horns here coming out darker because of the horns themselves are dark in those areas. So hopefully I'm getting things, trying to get say as evenly as possible in doing this. First time, like I said, for me doing this, so I'm experimenting. I said myself here on this. I really don't care for the bleach look. The gentleman I gave this to 2 years ago, and this one and the one I have downstairs, bigger one that says the 2024 deer, were all bleached out, and I didn't care for that at all. That bleaching, all bleached out horns. I don't mind the skull, European mount, but the others I just didn't care for it as much. Comment, guys, what you think here, because again, this is all new to me. I'm sure you can't see it when I stand it up here. I'll put her down here for a minute. Okay. You can see what I've got here, and turning this over a little bit so you guys can see. I'm gonna try to do the back sides. This horn. As I say, try to spread it out in as evenly as you can possibly get. Well, you create yourself some dark spaces, even if you do it. You may put it thick. If it's on here, there's too much on here. You have dark areas which you want it to blend as much as possible. That's what I'm trying to do anyways here. Spread this. This is golden oak. There's all different ones. They even suggest walnut. But I have experience with this golden oak as far as my house. So I thought I'd try this. Kind of glad they said it was golden oak. I kind of like the color. Let's make straight. Wow. I don't know, guys, if you see this, I kind of liking it here. You know what you think. Like and comment if you like, or suggestions, whatever. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid of criticism or whatever here. I just I say this is, you do and learn. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm learning right with you guys right now. It's all new to me. Watched a lot of videos of guys doing this, and I said, "Oh, give it a try." It works, and it works so far. It's working pretty good. I have to bring the wife down here and see what she said. This deer had a lot of character in his color, his horns. I wish he hadn't let it bleach out because I kind of liked it the way it was, which I'll include a picture with this deer as well so you can see what I'm talking about as far as the colors and the character. Guess I'll try to get it back as best I can. Now considering here. See, like right now, I think I've got a little dark on this one antler, but so I'm trying to spread it out. But shit, I'm retired. I should probably go into business. Yeah, I don't need to. I have enough to keep me busy. All the things I have to do, you know. I have things going on here, so. Okay, here we go. This looks pretty sharp. Must say so. Not sure what you guys are thinking, but I'm pretty sold on it. You gotta admit, this deer was unique. I passed up on him early in the year, and at the end of the year, almost to the end of the year, and I hadn't got a deer, and he was a legal deer, so I took him. Yeah, it's a character here. That's some nice, like that. His horns are a little bit darker in here to begin with, then putting the stain on brought it out of him. So let's see here. Have I missed anything? Got one side of it anyways. What do you think, guys? Hope you like it. Okay. Well, we're gonna let this dry and see what it comes out like here. After, they say put a little polyurethane on it after, so you get a little shine on it. I might do that. Right now it's got a little shine because it's wet, but I think it's pretty good myself. So, well, guys, as you can see, I've got it stained up here. Well, looking pretty good, I believe. Hope you like it. Hope I'm talking loud enough so you can hear me in this thing. But that's one side, and I'm kind of liking it myself. Tell me what you say, you think yourself, your thoughts on it. I have the other side to do here yet, and coat it up. I'm going to see what the wife thinks about this also, so stay tuned for some more here. Hopefully we can get, pick up little things here as I'm moving it around here. So, but like I said, this deer had a lot of character to the pig. I wish that it had not got bleached out like it did, but I'm liking what's repaired so far in this, and I want the wife to see the other, see what it looks like too, see what she thinks. I think it's pretty cool. You know, like and subscribe if you like what you're seeing, and if you like what I'm doing. Comments, advice, I'm open. This is kind of a winter time thing for me right now. Got other things to do, but thanks for watching, and I'm going to come back with another one here. I've got a bigger one, but let me finish this and I'll put it on when it's done and finished, and you get to see a picture, and I'll include a picture of the deer when I Took him in 2023. This deer was taken on my property. Thank you. Have a great day. Okay, we're gonna do the other side here now. Around the knuckles here, which I call the knuckles. Make it a little bit darker to I'm trying to get every little nook and cranny here and trying to spread this out as well. But keep it and try to keep it as natural as possible. Yeah, the darker around the base. Normally it was always darker. Get these. I have to be careful here I can't set this thing on end here. The nose was busted on it, I guess, a little bit. But we're going to try to keep. This is almost dry on this side. It's a little bit harder to get this back here. Trying to keep it a little bit darker, like I said, to a more natural look. Hope it's looking good. I think it's coming out pretty good myself here. Seeing other things on the other side I can flare up on as well. You're correct. While I'm here. little bit darker back here. It's at see the darkness? It's part of the natural horns here. The backside here, kind of nice looking, kind of unique. And putting this stain over it, it's pretty nice. Hope you're enjoying it, watching me. Okay, gotta get this, hold this. Probably should have waited to let the other side dry first before I started this side, but see, you learn as you go here. A bit darker on this side because of the horns. We're a little bit darker. So, hope you're enjoying watching me. I'm trying to keep my hands off it. You say maybe I should have let the one side dry first before tackling the other side. Yes, I'll learn as I go for my next one I've got to do here, the big one. But this looks much better than the bleached out. I didn't care for the bleached out horns. Definitely gives the European mount a little more character, I would say. Hope you agree, but not, I understand. Hey, everybody has their opinions, huh? So, a little more to do here. Set that down for a minute. Let's see what I can do here. Trying to get it, oh, here we go. Get a little, spread this out a little bit. I think I've got it all here. Hopefully. She's looking pretty good. Trying to make sure she don't tip over. I think, show what you think, guys. This side. Take a look at this far away here. What you think? Gentlemen, I hope you like it. I kind of like it. Like I said, it probably doesn't have the character that it had before it got bleached out. The antlers got bleached out, unfortunately. But it does have some character. Looks pretty sharp now, I believe. Yeah, I'm going to look around all the way around. Be sure that I've got things. Again here. Well, let's see here. Lighten it a little bit on the inside here, like as if he was rubbing his horns there a little bit, you know, rubbing his antlers. A little more natural. But here we go, guys. We're looking at right here. So I know he's got a weird rack. He's definitely one of the nuclear deer that we have on our property. It's funny to say, but it pretty much has some character though to it. So here we go. That's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. Again, suggestions, whatever in the circumstances, let me know. Hope, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think. Okay, guys. See, we got the finished product that I did. You watched me before. They were all bleached out. Here's what we got, the finished product here. So, hope you guys are liking it. Looks like it came up pretty good to me. And again, hope it gives the European Mountain a little bit of character. Got those bleached horns back to normal here, so they look normal anyways. They look pretty good. Hope you like them. I might put a little polyurethane on them. They've got a shine to them right now, so may not have to do that. Try to keep the hair off it and stuff. So I hope you like them all, and I hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you subscribe to my channel and like if you want to. I'd appreciate it. Like I said, I'm not in it for the money. I'm in just to have some fun. And so you all, hope you like, subscribe, comment, and you all have a blessed day. All right, and be safe. Bye.